In this course, we'll be using the same training files that are available to all Synchro professional customers. These mainly consist of DWF files, which contain the 3D models, and Microsoft Project XML files, which hold the schedule information. When you open up Synchro for the first time, make sure you have the Welcome tab selected over here in the middle, and then click on Synchro Tutorial on the right-hand side of that page. Doing so will open up the Help dialog, and you'll see a shortcut for FTP tutorials. Click on that, and now we'll open up your web browser and bring you to their FTP site. Also, a better way to download files from an FTP is by downloading the popular FileZilla application. This is available for Windows. And click on the Site Manager icon. Click on New Site. Go into Host and paste the FTP address, which should start with the show-ftp. For logon type, go to normal, and then for user, type in tutorials, and for password, it's the same thing as tutorials. Hit connect, and on the right hand side of FileZilla, you'll see all the folders that you have available to you. Now you can take these and drag them over to your desktop or anywhere else on your local machine, and this will automatically grab all the files within that folder, or you can open and explore folders from here and copy as you need. Now, while using the training files is not necessary for this course, you can choose to use your own files. If you do, let's go over some important notes about the file types that you choose to work with. First and foremost, let's talk about 3D files. Synchro works best with 3 file types. These are DWF, IFC, and HSF. DWF and IFC are most common in construction projects, while HSF is the format used in some manufacturing applications for cars, boats, planes, etc. Synchro does have the ability to import DGN, AutoCAD, CATIA, and some other file types, and while it does have the ability to import these files, doing so is discouraged. If you are working with an AutoCAD-based application, I highly suggest that you export these to DWF. The performance improvements gained by using DWF over DWG files is usually pretty big. Also, I want to point out that if you use Navisworks, do not, under any circumstances, ever publish to DWF. DWF is the best file type to use for Synchro, but the big exception here is DWF files that come from Navisworks. These files tend to be extremely large, slow, unintelligent, and are very difficult to work with and should be avoided at all costs. Now that you know the best file types to work with, let's dive right in.